Hi, welcome to my first video. I'm Crypto 8. I'm based in Belgium and I'm now a few years in crypto trading already. I will start to record some videos. How do you start with crypto trading? And we will also be extending with great crypto trading insights, tips, and tricks. But before we start all together in crypto trading, we need to know how we set up an account, what are the best platforms, and in this video, we will dive deeper in the better platforms and what are the possibilities for a starting trader. One of the first platforms that you need to know is, of course, CoinMarketCap. There's also an app for your iPhone or Android phone, of course. Why do we use CoinMarketCap? It's the first insight that we have on all crypto coins. There are at this moment more of 1,000 crypto coins on the markets already. We will use in this video most likely the Bitcoins, Ethereums, BNB coins, and the better known coins. Bitcoin is at his all-time high, $40,000, like you see here on the screen. That's a significant raise in value of Bitcoin. If you look at crypto coin market cap platform, you see the fear and greed index that's very high right now. There's a lot of greed, a lot of investors are hunting the crypto and of course more profits at this moment. If you look further here at now in this matter of Bitcoin, we have directly some insights on what the latest news, like here CryptoKit, also a great trader to follow, guys. Check out his channel, follow him. Also, the Moon channel is one of my favorites, and every day in the week they have a live stream around 2 p.m. About the current markets and insights that they share with different other crypto experts. What we see here is first of all the value of one Bitcoin, of course, and the total market cap. Also the volume from the last 24 hours you can check, and of course what you get the last 24 hours. The total supply of Bitcoins is already 19,600,000 Bitcoins. There is a max supply of 21,000 Bitcoin. What we will see after the halving that's happening in the beginning of May, that the halving will happen. Halving is splitting all the blocks on the blockchain of Bitcoin, and there will be greedy hunt after Bitcoins. What we also can check is official websites, white papers, and so on. But the first and most important thing that we see here is what Bitcoin did the last hours and days. You can also check on price market cap. I prefer candlestick charts, of course. Of course, we see more information in that. You can check 1 day, 7 days, and so on. What we also see is the markets, Bitcoin markets, on Binance, Bybit, OKX, Coinbase, so on. Also, what you can check here on CoinMarketCap is the latest Bitcoin news in this matter, and that's really important if you're making a technical analysis or fundamental analysis, that you have all information that you can make the right decisions. Every news item can be an influence on the current trends and what we can expect in the coming hours, days. Also, more information, what's Bitcoin, and all frequent asked questions and some analytics that we also can check. The second platform that's very helpful to check on what you can invest. You can see it on the latest hour, day, week, month, year. And what we see here is, of course, all the most likely all green. If we check the day, this also views the liquidity of the market, crypto coins, excuse me. What we see here is all like the big bubbles. The link has an increase of 12.2%. I invested in this yesterday, and I had also a great profit from this one. We can check it also if you click the bubble, you see the latest and the most important information. But for today's video, we're gonna move on to the two most favorite platforms that I use. The first one of it is Bybit. That's my most used platform. But also Bitflex is a really good platform. What's the difference? Bybit has a lot of options. Also a great platform for starting traders. If you are new to crypto trading or crypto coins, is Bybit a really good choice to use. I will also put the links for subscription on the two platforms below this video, so that you can subscribe and start discovering what they can do for you, of course. The difference is, of course, Bybit is good for all traders, advanced traders, starting traders, brand new traders. Bitflex is also a really good trading platform. It's the latest launch of exchange platforms. Gonna skip the tour. But I recommend only this platform to advanced traders. If you have enough knowledge about trading, is this one the best choice for you? Because this one is for another video, of course. Today, I will mainly focus on what Bybit can do for you and why you choose this one best. Bybit has a lot of options if you are subscribed. If you are subscribed, also do your KYC. It's very important that you do this one. It's a verification that you are who you tell you are against Bybit. You see my nickname is Crypto8 here. Also, email authentication, double factor authentication, really important for the security of your wallets and of your account, of course. Use Google two-factor authentication. Also put in an anti-phishing code that you can use that will be previewed also in the mails that you receive of Bybit. That's an extra check for you that it's definitely coming from the Bybit platform or Bybit's organization. Fund password is a different password than your account password. It's recommended to also setting this thing up. You can also use YubiKey authentication and so on. The travel address whitelist, it's not important to start with trading, and we will skip this, of course. The level 2 identity verification is the highest at this moment. You have a limit of 20,000 euro fiat deposits, and you can withdraw a cryptocurrency of 20 million. You can also set up sub accounts if you are testing some different things on different accounts. You can also set up account. You have different options. Standard accounts is only for you. You can also set up a custodial trading sub account, and then you can give access to external partners to do some tradings for you, but that's not for right now. Why do I suggest this platform for starting traders? Because they have a lot of good tools. You have TradeGPT, that's their own GPT bots in this platform, and you can get insights about different currencies. If you ask, give me insights about Bitcoin, he will analyze the query and he will look for the information, and there is the answer. You can also use it for some insights and analysis, of course, but it's also better to do your own analysis. that will be coming in the next videos. That will come also about Bybit and Bitflex, about strategies and so on. I'm currently also writing a book about cryptocurrency and how it's built, how it's born in this world. And we will also give you there the best information to make your technical analysis. Of course, just be sure to check my website and follow my website, crypto8.eu. You will get also insights daily on my website, also on my Twitter account, crypto8, and so on. Okay, but the most important things to do is, yes, of course, if you have set up your account, you need to fund your wallet. You can do this on the different ways. If you have already bought some crypto in Bestfavo or another platform, you can do deposit of crypto, of course, but you can also deposit some euros or dollars. In my matter, is it euros? But you can also deposit crypto. If you deposit crypto, be aware that you make the right decision. If you will transfer Bitcoin, use the right chain, Bitcoin, and that you use the good addresses, of course. There are also some costs, also different on chains that there are. Ethereum is a total other chain that will be used. That's the ERC20, and so on. But be careful if you deposit or transfer cryptocurrency that you use the right chains. Fiat deposit is also, I will start from the beginning screen again. So that it's clear how to do it is you can click on assets and assets overview, deposit, and you can buy with euro, or you can deposit euro. If you buy with euro and you buy with fiat certain cryptocurrencies. But in the first matter, you need some money in your account. Deposit euro, it's very easy and straightforward. You choose your amount. Take 2,500 euro. You can do an easy bank payment, or you can use Zen.com. Zen.com is an app that you can instantly fund your money to, and you can pay here with your Zen.com account, and you have your euros and your money directly in your account. If you use an easy bank payment or one of the other payments, it can take 1 to 3 days before the money is in your account. You check that you read the all necessary legal parts. You see the fee that you will pay also on the transfer, and you copy this and this in your bank platform, and you can transfer the money. It's important that you use the right IBAN and that the account that you are paying with in your bank, that is exactly the same name. It's important. That's why we do KYC verification. Once you have put some money in your account and you are a starting trader, you can use easily and quickly a few options here under tools, and that's the one is copy trading. Copy trading is a good start for starting traders that don't know a lot about crypto trading, but it's a really good tool to follow it and to learn the small things. Crypto trading is following and copying an experienced trader, and if you copy one trader, and then you can see some information, of course. You share your investments and start copy trading. What will happen then is all what the the experienced trader is doing in his account will be copied in your account, and you will also make some profits. Of course, it's cryptocurrency, it's trading. You will win some, you will lose some. Be aware of that. Also, all my videos is not financial advice. It's important that you do your own research before you start trading, of course. And so you have a lot of lot of crypto traders here. The top traders by return on investments, master traders, balance traders, new talents, of course. Check them out, and it's important, of course, that you have a good feeling with it. What you see on his profile, if you click on one, copy trader, you see his return on investment, masters traders, P&L, burn rate, the followers, profit, and so on. Also of his trades, this one did before 937 trades, but he also won full trades and he lost also some trades. That's trading. That will always happen. But that's part of the game. You win some. If you will win, you need to be aware that you sometimes lose a trade. You can join the waitlist if his account is full of copied trades. But if you are saying, okay, I have good stealing, his information is right, you can just here copy trade and start. The other important part that you can do is a trading bot. A trading bot will trade for you, but of course, it's trading and you will win some, but definitely sometimes you will lose a little bit of money. What you can do here is, of course, the same thing. Do your due diligence all based on information. I also use an application for my analysis and research on cryptocurrency. That's the Trading Viewer. I will also put a link down in the description to this, that you can use this software totally free. You can also use it online. There's also an app for your phone. And what we will see here is, of course, I have a lot of extra tools on. This is Bitcoin data right now. You see with the super trend rate to buy, where to sell, of course, but also a lot of other indicators. The MACD is one of my favorites, and the RSI is one of my favorites. We will come back later this video on how to use this platform, of course. And you can just copy for free and put in some money, and the bot will generate some profits for you. Really important, if you are into trading, never trade with emotions. The most starting traders have a lot of emotions. If they are starting to lose money, they will sell in panic. If they see, oh, the crypto is rising now, I will buy it now. Maybe it's already too late. Just be aware that you can trade without emotions if it's going about your money. And that's the point when you lose money. Another few things, if you have a lot of crypto, I will suggest to use also a hardware wallet for your crypto. It's more secure, it's offline, you can store it there till you need it. One of the better ones is Trezor. Is a great hardware wallet. You have different ones. The Trezor Model T is the one I personally use. It's a little investment, but it's also safe to use for putting your cryptocurrency offline. Also, Ledger is one of the most known crypto hardware wallet. That's the tool that I will recommend for you. That are the first steps that you can do if you are starting with crypto trading. The most important thing is also, where do you get your insights and how can you make your analysis. I don't gonna deep dive into the analysis, but why I use this platform, of course. I will move this one, of course, first. What we see here is a great overview. If you are looking, I will start from this step. That's the starting screen, crypto coins or crypto pairs you can select, of course. And you have here a list of all cryptocurrencies worldwide, of course, all platforms. We check out now Bitcoin, of course, BTC, and then TradingView will give you the oversight of the Bitcoin, some data insights, and so on. See on supercharts, and then you will have, of course, the right screen for analysis purposes. I will use this one that you know where to go. Also, this one I will put out. This is a very basic screen, of course. I have my listed that for coins I regularly trade on. That's also my quick access list for my different coins where I invest in. What do we have here? Also, we can also put on some alerts. If there's a coin that you're following and it's costing the price of, I will tell now here, $50,000, only one for every time, you can create it. And what will happen then? You will get an alert in your email, or if the program is open, you will hear a ring with the notification that the Bitcoin is crossing the $50,000. Also, other information, other trending and hot trades, but it's more globally and not always trading. And the economic calendar is also an important indicator to check out. Also has influence on buying and selling trends of cryptocurrencies. You can put here some IDs. You can follow the chats about several cryptocurrencies and so on. Live shows that you can follow and go on. Okay, what we see here, if you are in the normal view, we also see here an indicator for buying, selling, strong selling, strong buy, and the expected performance of cryptocurrencies. You can also use that. What we also can do is put on some indicators here. The super trend strategy, it's one that I use. That's the wrong one. Excuse me, guys. It was super great that I needed. Really strategy. That's the one that I recommend for you guys. What's it? Oh, super trend. Sorry, my mistake. Then you do here just super trend, and you have this here. One of my favorites is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. Give us also some insights. What we see here is some indicators. If you see like here that the purple line is crossing the yellow line, and it will take a deep dive. The market will go down. What you see here, if it's under the line of 30 or above the line of 70, it's overbought of oversold. In this matter here, it's oversold. But you have also this in a different way, and that you see here is that there was an overbought. The other important indicator that I use is the MACD. The MACD strategy is also a good one to follow. Favorite here, financial MACD. I have too much. MACD. You have it there, or damn it. Sorry, guys. Just making some corrections. the damage. I'm looking for the right one. You see, I have a lot of indicators, of course. And there we have it. And what we will see here is similar to the RSI, but you see here more correct data. What we see here is that the red line versus the blue line, it will go up or down, but it's also a good indicator if you have these screens all open. That's the main indicator that I use for my tradings next to my technical analysis. That's one for the next videos. I will thank you for this quick introduction, and to follow us, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Put on the notification bell that you know when we publish a new video. The next video will definitely go about how to trade, how to make your analysis, and make the right decisions. Thank you, and see you the next.